In this video, I want to show you how to replace the ink toner inside of your HP LaserJet M140we. So all you have to do is to simply lift the top cover. Take your hand, place it over here and bring this up, okay? All right, perfect. Once you're here, you're gonna see this is the toner right there and it has a handle. Take the toner and pull it out. Okay, it will glide right up. It looks like this. This printer takes the HP 141A cartridge. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to get some of these. Amazon usually have the best prices, so check them out. Okay, so once you get your new cartridge, usually it has some orange tape on it and some orange plastic pieces on the side. You need to remove all these things, okay? Everything that is orange needs to go. Then take your new cartridge and you simply have, well, first of all, align it. So let me do it. You may have to, shuffle it a bit, and here we go, it goes. We're not done yet. We need to press on it until you hear a click. Here we go. It may not be loud, but it clicks in place. And now we have to bring down this top panel. It will take around 15 seconds and the printer will be ready to print again. So this is it. Again, thanks for watching. Check my links, leave a like to support my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.